Hello friends, today I'll discuss the spot healing brush tool in Adobe Photoshop. Here you can change the size of the brush. You can also change the hardness of the brush. Now click on a spot or anything that has to be removed from a picture. See, the spots have vanished from this face. For these types of editing, always check the content aware option here. Now let's check another photo. We'll remove the factory name from this photo. Just click, hold and move the cursor. When the full name is covered, release the mouse. See, the factory name has vanished. Some spots have remained. We can remove this by the same process. Thanks for watching.